In today's video, we're going to show you how to send a message on TikTok in 2024. Whether you want to chat with friends or connect with other TikTok users, this guide will walk you through the steps to send direct messages on the app. So let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not logged in, enter your credentials. Now simply tap on the inbox button. Scroll down and tap on anyone to start a new conversation. If you want to start a new conversation, simply tap on a new conversation and simply tap on it. And here you can choose to write whatever you want. And that's how you can simply message anyone. And if you want to search for an individual, you can search by like this, and simply click on message. And here you can message. And that's how you can simply send a message on TikTok.